Dan Willis here for YourBadCreditCard.net, and we are reviewing the Capital One Secured MasterCard. This is a very popular secured credit card, and the first thing you need to know is this card is created for individuals with a less than perfect credit history. Uh, the second thing you need to know is this card will actually report your account to all three of the major credit bureaus regularly. This will give you the opportunity to build credit with responsible use. The third thing we're going to talk about is your deposit. Now, your initial deposit is what is used as the collateral to secure your account. So, for example, if you default on your regular monthly payments or you just stop making your payments, then the security deposit will be kept. So, in other words, your security deposit secures or is kind of the guarantee that the bank or the credit card issuer knows that they won't be losing money. With the Capital One secured card, you can deposit as little as $200 and have do up to $3,000. The amount of your deposit will be equal to your credit limit. On a side note, on their application page, it currently says you can make a deposit for as little as $49 or $99 and be issued your credit card. We believe this has to do either with your credit rating, meaning you have a little bit better credit, you might have to have a smaller security deposit, or your security deposit is just paid over time. We aren't Capital One, so we aren't 100% positive about which one that is. The fourth thing is your APR, or your interest rate. With Capital One and the publishing of this video, it is currently at 22.9%. That's variable. If you want the full updated terms and conditions, please check with Capital One. Credit cards regularly change all the fine print and their details and their terms and conditions, so please see Capital One to get the full terms and conditions. The fifth thing we're going to mention is one of the neat features about the Capital One Secured MasterCard is with responsible use you can get regular credit line increases without any additional deposits. So if you're paying your bill every month and you have displayed responsible use, then you could get an increase to your credit line and they're not going to ask you for any more deposit. So you could have made a deposit for $200 and a year from now maybe your credit limit is $600. You didn't have to give any more additional money for your deposit. You can, but if you have responsible use, you can get regular credit line increases, which is a unique feature. The one other thing we want to mention is there is a $29 annual fee, which is really very low. It is standard for secured credit cards to charge you an annual fee. We believe the APR is a little bit high. However, Capital One is a name that you can trust. And just on a side note, Capital One recently purchased Orchard Bank and the Orchard Bank secured credit card, which was a very popular secured credit card. So there are a few less options available. 22.9% is a little high, but Capital One does have some nice features and they are a trustworthy brand, so you may want to consider that. Again, like we said, please visit their website for the full terms and conditions.